Welcome to the Currency Index Market Report.
Good morning. Headlines this week are still very much focused on the Scottish referendum. We can't stress enough how bad a yes vote could be for the pound towards the back end of this week. You'll have already seen in the headlines the uncertainty in financial markets leading up to the referendum. If the Scots do vote for independence, we're very likely to see negativity for the pound. We could see significant falls for exchange rates. So as the results start to come in early hours of Friday morning, and even in the polls and exit polls leading up to that on Thursday afternoon, we could see the pound fall significantly if it looks like a yes vote may be the winner. Of course, that's by no means certain, but for those of you who do have money to send abroad in the coming weeks, do consider that as certainly a big potential pitfall where we could see exchange rates falling back significantly. Away from the headlines of the referendum, we did have UK inflation figures yesterday, which came in pretty much as expected. The pound fell in the morning yesterday, but recovered in the afternoon. This morning, we also have the Bank of England minutes from the latest Monetary Policy Committee meeting. So we'll find out this morning how many of the Bank of England committee members voted for an exchange rate rise this month. And again, this is another potential pitfall for the pound because the Governor of the Bank of England, Mark Carney, has indicated that we won't be looking at interest rate rises now until the spring next year. So if the minutes from the last Bank of England meeting back up that view, if less than 2 of the committee voted for an interest rate rise, again, we could see the pound falling back again. So there are a lot of risks at the moment for exchange rates and probably not a huge amount of potential for things to improve. So we do think at Currency Index that opportunities for securing the best rates could be seen today and tomorrow, particularly for those of you buying euros. Of course, nobody knows what's going to happen with the referendum or any of the other data releases, but we do have an awful lot coming out at the moment, which could be bad news. So if you've got money to send abroad, don't hide your head in the sand. Do talk to us at Currency Index. We'll be able to tell you the latest news and views, as well, of course, as getting your quote to save you money on your transfer on any particular day. That's all the news for today. We'll be back on Friday morning with the next video report and some early results from the referendum. Fingers crossed, and let us know when we can help.
currencyindex.co.uk to save money on your next currency exchange, or call us today on 0800 043 2623.